Welcome to Architech. This is Ritesh Srinivasan. In this video, let's look at a demo of ECOCR. ECOCR is a ready-to-use optical character recognition tool with 80 plus supported languages and all popular writing scripts including Latin, Chinese, Arabic, Devanagari, Cyrillic, okay, and a lot other writing scripts. Okay, so ECOCR, if you look at their GitHub page, here are a few examples of the images, input images, and the output text, which has been extracted from these images. So it is able to do from scene text as well. So these are some scene text where you have these street signs or the street pointers, which have been detected over here. Similarly, so you can see a variety of languages being supported over here, right? Including Devanagari script. Okay. So ECOCR can be installed using pip install ECOCR. So what I've done is that I have installed ECOCR in a Google Colab environment. Okay. So here I've done installation of ECOCR. Then I import, or what you call, I import ECOCR. Then I read an image, for example this invoice image, and display it over here. And then to do OCR on this invoice image, all I have to do is that I have to create an object of reader class from ECOCR. So, and the language is English over here. And then I have to just call reader.readText and pass the image. Okay, so that's what I'm doing over here. And then I get a result over here, which is nothing but a list of text which has been detected along with the bounding boxes and a confidence score. Okay, so when I print the items which in the result, basically each line in the result, this is how it gets printed. So if you look at these results over here, you see that this part of the text is not detected properly. Then you have invoice, Bigco, Inc, which has been detected properly, right? Then you have from is gone for a toss over here, so it has not been detected properly. So it's detecting some of these items over here properly, some of them not properly. Okay, so this is the result of running ECOCR on this invoice image. Okay, so it is very simple. You just have to create an object, reader object, and pass the image to the read text function of the reader object. Okay, so this is an example of OCR on an invoice image. Now let us look at a handwritten image. Okay, so here is a handwritten image which I have displayed using matplotlib. Then I pass it to same reader.readText. Here you see that once I print the results, here you see that it does even poorer recognition over here. So for example, deer is not being detected, right? So it doesn't detect handwritten recognition very well. That is what it looks like when I'm just looking at the results over here, right? So then let's look at scene text. For example, you have a image like this, okay, where you have some text on the name board, okay, of a shop, right? Now when we pass this to the ECOCR reader, you get like this. Cafe is detected properly. Rest of the things are not getting detected properly. Okay, baby has been detected properly, but other things goes for a toss. Okay, see, this is not the original quality of this image. The original quality is much better. This is because I am showing over here with matplotlib. It is getting resized or scaled up over here. That's why it looks like this. Now let's look at another scene image. So here if you look at this particular scene image, you have this 24 hours ATM image of this ATM board. Okay, now let's pass it to ECOCR reader. Here it has done a very good job, 24 hours ATM. So if you look at my previous videos of Tesseract or MMOCR, this image was a failure image, but here it does a good job. ECOCR does a good job. And then another scene image is this thing, right? This image. So here if you look at the output, I am again passing it to the reader, it detects some of these texts with some errors, right? But then it misses out on this attentio text. Probably the language is different over here. I don't know whether that's the reason for it being detected in a wrong way. Okay, so this was about how you can use ECOCR out of the box and how you can pass an image to ECOCR and get the output. Okay, now going back to a little bit more details about ECOCR. The whole idea of ECOCR is to have a framework, right, whereby you can replace certain components. Like for example, they have used craft algorithm for text detection. So they would want, if tomorrow there is a better text detection model, so this should be easily pluggable in this architecture. Similarly, they have used ResNet plus LSTM plus CTC, which is your for the text recognition. So this is text detection and this is text recognition. Okay, so the recognition model is a CRNN and it is composed of three main components: a feature extraction, which is ResNet, a sequence labeling LSTM, and a decoding CTC network. Okay, so the idea over here is that in future they should be able to replace these components in this ECOCR framework with better models for better results. Okay, so this is about ECOCR. So here they've also explained how you can train ECOCR on a new language. There is a certain method by which you can train it on a new language. You at least need to provide, say, 30,000 or 50,000 words for each of these languages, and there is some specific way in which you should be able to train it on new languages. So ECOCR can be used to convert scanned images into text. This could be useful for systems like invoice processing. You could also use ECOCR to do scene text recognition. I hope you find this video useful. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video, please share the video. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I am creating a new video. See you in a new video. Bye for now.